from definition you know that the product of lowest powers of common factors of two numbers is called HCF. And what is LCM? The product of highest powers of each prime factors of two numbers is called LCM. From Euclid's division lemma, you can find only HCF, but from prime factorization, you can find both HCF and LCM. So see one example. Find HCF and LCM of 12, 15, 21 by using prime factorization methods. Okay, so what is prime factorization method? Take first the three numbers 12 and you have to divide it with prime numbers only. So I divide it with 2. 2 6 are 12. Okay, and next 2 3s are 6, and next prime number 3. 3 1s are, okay, and next 15, and divide with 3 or 5, any prime number. So 3 5s are, and next 5 one time. Okay, and next take 21, prime factorization, divide with 3, 7. 7 is also a prime number, so divide it with 7 one time. Okay, so from this we can write it as 12 as the product of prime numbers. So 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, and 15 can be written as 3 into 5. And next 21 can be written as 3 into 7. Okay, and next you have to take the powers of the same numbers. Okay, what is that? 2 into 2. It can be written as 2 square into 3. 2 square into 3. And 3 into 5. Here there are no common factors. So we can write it as 3 into 5. And next 21 can be written as 3 into 7. Okay. So from this we can find HCF. What is HCF? The product of lowest powers of common factors, prime factors of the numbers, given numbers. Okay. So what are the common prime factors among these three numbers? So you can check in the prime factorization. So by seeing we can say that there is a common prime number, that is 3, and its power is 1. Okay, so you can say the HCF of these three numbers, that means 12, 5, 21 is 3. There is no other common prime factor, so you cannot multiply both prime numbers. So there is only one common prime number, that is 3. So what is HCF here? 3. And next LCM. LCM of these three numbers is equal to the product of highest powers of each prime factor. So by this definition, you know the highest powers of each prime number. So you can see here how many prime numbers. 2 is one prime number, 3 is one prime number, 5 is one prime number, and 7 is one prime number. So the highest powers, that means first prime number is 2. Its highest power is 2 square. Okay, and the next prime number is 3. Its highest prime power is 3. 3 power 1. And next prime number is 5. And next prime number is 7. So you have to multiply. So 2 square means 4 into 3 into 5 into 7. Okay. So what is the product here? 420. Its product is 420. Okay. So this is the method to find HCF and LCM of any given numbers by using prime factorization method. So write down in the CW. I will give another example. Continuation. Next example. find HCF and LCM of 10, 25 and 30. So first take 10 and do prime factorization. 2 will go in this 5 times, so 5 will go 1 time. Okay, and next 25 with 5. 5 5s are 25, so 5 will go in 1 time. And next 30. Okay, 5 will go 6 times. And next prime number 2 will go 3 times. And next prime number 3 will go 1 time. Okay, so what is the prime factorization of 10? 10 is equal to 2 into 5. And prime factorization of 25 is equal to 5 into 5. And prime factorization of 30, 30 is equal to 5 into 2 into 3. And you have to multiply the same powers or same bases. So that means you have to notate in power notation. So here there are no common numbers, that means same numbers. So you get 2 into 5. And here you get 2 same numbers, that means you have to write in power form, notation form. So 5 square, and next 5 into 2 into 3. And next HCF. What is HCF? The product of lowest powers of common factors, common prime factors. So what are common prime factors here? You see, in among these 3, only 5 is the common prime factor. Okay, here 5, here 5 square, and here 5 only. Okay, and you have to take lowest powers. Between 5 square and 5, 5 means 5 power 1. Among these numbers, the lowest power is 5 power 1. That means HCF is equal to 5 power 1. That is 5, not 5 square, not 5 square. Okay. And next LCM. So what is LCM? The product of highest powers of each prime factor. Each prime factor. So how many prime factors are there? 2, 5 and 3 also there. Okay. So you have to multiply the product of highest prime factors. So first one 2 prime number or prime factor. So here also 2. These 2 powers are equal. That means here 2 power 1 and here also 2 power 1. So you take it as 2 into, and here you took 5 as a prime factor. That means 5 square. You have to take highest power. That means you have to take 5 square. So 2 into 5 square into, and another prime number is 3. So there is only one 3. So just write it as 3. Okay. So 2 into 25 into 3. 2 25s are 50. 53s are 150. So LCM of these 3 numbers is 150. Okay. So write down in the CW.